Hi guys, in this video I want to share information that happened to one motorist. Friends, the tachometer needle to idle when you press the gas pedal does not react, as if it's freezing. It turns out dips in revolution and then rises sharply. Then it came to replace the fuel pump, injectors, spare plugs, even replacing the engine. The diagnosis revealed a malfunction of the crankshaft sensor. But when replacing it, there on the sensor seat, an oil seal was left, which eventually hardened and adhered to the seat. When the crankshaft sensor was replaced with a new one, the new one also had an oil seal. When installing the sensor in place, now it turned out already two oil seals, since the old one was not removed, from which the crankshaft sensor could not correctly calculate the engine speed. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put like.